Hey guys, today's video we're going to be reviewing this little tiny drone here that I found at Walmart for around $20. This thing, it it's okay. There are some things that I wish that could be fixed, but also some things that I wish that are non-existent. So these propellers are very hard to replace. Like, you need a screwdriver like this and then just pry it. So if you ever need to replace a propeller, this is not recommended because this thing, mm, and these things will break. This thing keeps coming off every single time I try to fly it. But let's talk about the specs here. The specs on this thing can last, the battery can last around the equivalent to an iPhone. If you didn't get the joke there, this thing can last 6 minutes. Literally. I mean, you are getting what you're getting for $20 with that much battery. Like, I'm pretty sure all that black plastic right there is how big the battery is. So, not too sure, but it is what it is. Now, the battery, well, the button, the button right here, this is the power button. This is how you put it into pair mode. Then you grab your controller and then you flip that on switch. As you can tell, it will start blinking, but then with this over here, you'll need to go up and down. And as you can see, the light stopped flashing. It is pretty bright. This thing is meant for indoors and outdoors. So before we go outside, I will say that this thing does have an automatic takeoff button, so if you're not that skilled at taking off, you press that button. And if you're a skilled drone driver that knows how to drive a lot of drones, it's literally the exact same controls with the thumbsticks. You also got your speed, yeah, got your speed and your stunt button. This is what you will use to do stuff. If you want to do stunts, you just can press the speed button, and it should do it twice. Now, if you press it again, it will beep at you 3 times. That's speed 3. But speed 1, it'll just beep at you once. But if you want to stunt, you have to press it in speed 2, press the stunt button, and then yeah. And then with this thumb, you just press up, that way, or down. Left, right, up, down with that thumbstick. Alright, let's go outside. Alrighty, so I somehow teleported outside. Don't know how, but questions later. Alrighty, so take off. Again, you just press that button in the middle, and it will start. So, there are 3 speeds, like I said. This is speed 1. Yes, that's speed 1. Not very fast, but it is good for beginners, though. Now this is speed 2. Alright, a bit faster, but still it is recommended to be on speed 1 once you get used to the thing. Whoa. This thing does not like the wind, I can tell you that. Very light breeze out here today. Alright, here is speed 3. God, it's already hard to control. Go! Jeez! Cheese! Thing is fast. Wow. This thing is a dart. I can tell you that. This thing is a dart. So let's check out the stunt button. Wow, okay, so it is pre-programmed to do that, so you don't need to do all these twisties and turnies and stuff with your joystick. All you need to do is just point up and it'll flip to the left, flip to the right. If I can make it stand still again. Alright, and you can go backwards. Whee! Alright. So yeah, this thing is meant for people who want to get used to drones, because a lot of drones that I've played with over the years kind of have these same controls, but like different buttons and just different stuff. But the controls to move the drone, it's just like your regular old drone. So price tag again is $20. You can find them, I think I found it at the Hot Wheels section. I don't know, but it is also blinking a light, so that means that the drone's about to die. So I will see you all in the next video. Hope you enjoyed this video, and I will see you all next time.